Information Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, myself Yogita Raut and I am from Zeal College of Engineering and Research Pune. Today I am here to represent our PBL activity. Now my other group members will explain you more about our project. Thank you.
Our group number is 11. Participants present in our group are Ganesh Kale, Pratik Rai, Purva Pokre, Yogita Raut, Saurabh Bhosle. Our project is guided by Professor K.R. Jaha ma'am. Components used in our project are TSOP 1838 receiver, transistor BC547, buzzer, capacitor, LED, lithium battery, microslide switch, remote.
Hi, my name is Saurabh Bhosle. This is circuit diagram of our project. Working. Buzzer switches on only when the transistor is grounded. It works by sensing infrared ray in IR receiver coming from IR transmitter. When the detector no longer senses the rays, it changes this voltage, causing the sensing electronics to turn on the alarm or making a sound from buzzers and glowing LED. This circuit device can work when the distance between IR receiver and IR transmitter is up to 50 meters. Now let's see how it works in actual. Thank you all.
Hello everyone, my name is Pratik Rai and today I am going to explain you the applications of our project. The applications of our project are, it can be used in industrial areas such as offices, factories. It can be used in commercial premises such as shops, restaurants